Let's walk through how to mass import EORs instead of creating each contract one by one. First, navigate to the Mass Import tool in the Add People feature. Select EOR from the worker type drop-down. Next, download the sample mass import file so you have the correct format required for upload to the platform. Fill in the template with your EOR information and then re-upload the CSV to the platform. The platform will confirm that the CSV has the correct columns. During the validation, you may receive errors if the information you filled out either does not match the platform data. For example, the group I inputted here does not match an existing group name in the platform. You may also receive errors if you input information that is not compliant. For example, I did not input the expected probation period for this country. You can use the guidelines to ensure your inputs are formatted correctly. Common errors are using abbreviations such as USA instead of United States. Luckily, editing on platform is seamless. Once you have corrected all errors, you can confirm and complete the upload. You'll also be prompted to fill in additional fields, such as allowances or mandatory requirements, like benefits or pensions. The platform will ensure you complete any country-based requirements. The mass import will take a short time for Deals team to review. However, you can still review and accept the quotes you've requested while the processing is taking place. That's it. Mass importing is that easy.